Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the next episode of the Women's Fishing Network, brought to you by Goes to 11 Media. I'm your Tuesday host, Amanda Weeb. You can find me on Instagram at Wild Girls Alberta. Today, I'm going to take you guys through our Christmas display, show you what we got set up this year, and hopefully inspire you guys with some Christmas cheer. So I'm going to go throw my boots on and head out into the snowy cold and take you around and show you all my friends. So here at the Wild Girls Homestead, we take Christmas pretty seriously. We started collecting this stuff probably about 13 years ago, and we continue to collect to this day. It kind of became a little bit of a passion project. It started with a couple of snowmen and a couple of soldiers, and over time just slowly evolved into something much larger. Some people, I know what you're thinking, there's not enough. Absolutely not enough. We need more. So yeah, I'm going to take you kind of bit by bit here, show you all the little scenes that we have set up, a couple of my absolute favorites, and we're going to end off with the big guy that we're all excited to see on Saturday. So we do our very best to change it up every year, but we've got quite a few of these guys. We like to put them all in scenes together. So right here you can see we got a group of guys and one of them's fishing. So that is a new addition this year that Danielle thought of, which I don't know why I didn't think of that, but pretty genius if you ask me, and very fitting. Here we have my favorite setup. This is the biggest setup we have. I think there's about 19 pieces in this one, which is a little crazy. But our absolute favorite, that guy right there, that's kind of our pièce de résistance, if you will. This is the North Pole, surrounded by Santa and some of his friends. And there we got another family in the background, hanging out with old Saint Nick. He's just a little mini guy. These guys are my absolute favorite snowmen. These are all the real old guys. These guys can be kind of tough to get your hands on, and we were pretty darn excited when we found them. Got the old candle border. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. It's crunchy out here. Back here we have yet another family. These guys hang out with Santa Claus too. Got some soldiers protecting them. Lovely old lanterns. We had the good lanterns at the back because they're brittle and delicate. And right here we've got ourselves some angels and a nutcracker. I'm going to zoom in on the creepiest angel we have. He kind of looks like He-Man. I'll let you guys get a nice close-up of his face. Ooh, kind of spooky. But we love him. Moving on. This is a new addition this year. We've been looking for a nativity scene for the full 13 years we've been collecting. This is the first year that we found one, and we are pretty excited. Hey, look, it's He-Man again. On the back, got some more snowmen and candy canes and soldiers. And over here, this guy is a reoccurring one every year. Got some friends tobogganing together. They're just so cute and sweet. Walk you around to see a front view of them. Try not to fall on the face. What a great day they're having. Oh, sure. Alright, and then last but not least, we're going to take you guys for a close-up. Good old Saint Nick. Now, we do have two of these guys. The problem this year is we had some pretty serious freezing rain, and made it difficult to get up on the roof. It was just way too dangerous. So I'm going to give you guys one good kind of scan of everybody together. Isn't it just a thing of beauty? My goodness. Footage of, just some bonus footage of this jaunty little fellow. Look at him. Adorable. So now that we are sufficiently Griswolded and full of the Christmas spirit, I want to wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season for those of you that don't observe Christmas. And I hope you all stay safe. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday with your family and your friends. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys hopefully next Tuesday, if not, maybe in 2022. But yeah, that's it for me today. You guys take care of yourselves, and hopefully I'll see you next Tuesday.